If you're seeing Epic Games error code 200_001, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few proven fixes step by step so you can get back into your game as quickly as possible. This error can happen because of corrupted game files, launcher permission issues, account session problems, network conflicts, cache issues, or even DNS trouble on your system. The good news is that most of the time you can fix it without reinstalling everything. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's jump straight into the first fix. First, open the Epic Games launcher and go to your library. Find Fall Guys, then click the three dots next to the game. From the menu, choose Manage, and then click Verify. This will check your game files for anything missing or damaged and automatically repair what it can. If the error was caused by a corrupted install, this step often solves it right away. While that verification finishes, the next thing you should try is running the Epic Games Launcher as an administrator. To do that, right-click the Epic Games Launcher icon, choose Properties, then open the Compatibility tab. Check the box that says Run this program as an administrator, then apply the changes and reopen the launcher. Giving the launcher elevated permissions can fix issues where it can't properly connect, update, or launch your game. If you're still getting the error, try logging out and back in. Sign out of your account inside the Epic Games Launcher, close the launcher completely, and then open it again and sign back in. Sometimes a broken login session is all that's causing the problem, and refreshing your account access can clear it up immediately. Next, check your network setup. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily and try launching the game again. Epic Games errors can sometimes appear when your connection is being routed through a VPN, proxy, or other network filter that interferes with authentication or game services. For the next fix, we're going to clear the launcher cache. This can help if the launcher has stored corrupted temporary files. To do that, open your app data folder and look for the Epic Games Launcher web cache folder. Delete the web cache contents, then restart your computer and open the launcher again. Clearing the cache forces Epic Games to rebuild fresh data, which can resolve a lot of stubborn launch and login issues. If the error still hasn't gone away, the final step is to flush your DNS. This helps refresh your computer's network lookup data. Open Command Prompt as an administrator, then run the ipconfig command followed by the appropriate DNS flush command for your system. Once that's done, restart your PC and try Epic Games again. A bad DNS cache can sometimes block the connection between your device and Epic's servers, so this step is worth doing. After going through these fixes, try opening the game again and see if error code 200_001 is gone. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the issue, especially verifying files, clearing cache, or refreshing your network settings. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more gaming fix guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.